Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. All right. So as you can see, I used the $6.99 coupon code, as regularly would have been $10 total with the tax. This is the BLT Flatbread. FL699 is your online code. Nailing Princess. Alright, let's see what it looks like. I haven't had a sub since April. That's why I got the flatbread. It's kind of cheating, but there's the top. Oh, baby. Looks like they cooked the bacon pretty well this time. That looks good. A lot of stuff in there. Okay. Yeah, it's going to be really good. Right there. Oh, yeah, baby. And this is the suggested. This is not what I'm going to... This is not necessarily what I'm going to have with it, but it's just... It's one of the bags that I have already here. Obviously, I didn't buy chips there. I'm not that stupid. Only people like Andy do that. So Doritos nacho cheese would be a suggested one to go along with it. And if necessary, I've got some butterscotch and chocolate brown sugar brownies. So there we go. Big Daddy said he was looking forward to this video. So there it is. And I'm looking forward to chowing down on this thing. Oh, one more thing. You just got a deed.